Hey there, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to fix the "your PIN is not available" error. Code 0xd50225 on Windows 10 and 11 can prevent you from logging into your system. So let's get right to it and solve it fast. First, let's start with a simple reboot. Sometimes this error happens after an update or sudden shutdown. A restart might fix it, so try restarting your computer. Let's try using the Windows recovery environment. Turn off your computer and power it back on. As soon as the Windows logo appears, hold the power button for 10 seconds to force shutdown. Do this 2 or 3 times and you should see the Windows recovery environment screen. Once you're in, go to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Repair, let Windows try to repair the system automatically. This method can fix system files that might be causing the PIN error. If that doesn't work, go back to Advanced Options and select System Restore. Choose a restore point from when everything was working fine to revert system settings and files. That should solve many Windows login issues, including the PIN not available error code 0xd50225. Hopefully one of these solutions worked for you. If this video helped, like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.